Tol As Mo and Mome are back together after 5 months of separation. Welcome back to our channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share our video. Okay guys, so back to our story. The two were very miserable without each other, and they found their way back to each other's arms again. And don't forget that these two were married for 10 years. Then they separated after there was a report by Lerato Moloi of a sexual assault by Tol As. So now he had said that he was so traumatized by dating a black woman. So he said next time he was going to come and announce that he has a woman, it is going to be a Caucasian woman, because he was so traumatized. He was badly affected when he was accused of the sexual assault. So now so many netizens were actually waiting for this moment, and they announced it on an Instagram post where Tol As had to blow a kiss, and then there was, yes, stars all over. So guys, they are back together.